Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will introduce the enhancement made to the credit card processing module. You can now store payment card info for your clients in their client profile. By doing so, rather than having them submit their card every time a payment is due, you can now store their card in their client profile and apply it to an invoice at any time. Additionally, if having LawPay as your credit card merchant, you can similarly store ACH info. It is important to note that in order to use these features, you must be signed up to the credit card optional module, as well as billing. Additionally, you must have either your LawPay or PayPal account linked in the admin tools page. On the description of this video is a link showing you how. Let us log into the Caseworker portal. From the Caseworker portal, let us locate the client's profile. Once inside the client's profile, you will visit the billing section. You will see a new tab has been added, called Payment Method. When clicked, you will be brought to an area to store card info and store ACH info. You will proceed to enter one of them or both. You will select Add Payment Card. You will enter the payment card and the billing address of the client. Please note, if any of the information is incorrect here, the software will notify you before even processing an invoice. Be sure you are entering the correct info. Once you successfully enter the payment card and save, you will see it listed with the last 4 digits of the card. If you ever need to remove or update payment card info, this would be the area to do so. We can now apply payment on an invoice using the card added here. If you're either in the client profile or case profile, you will go to an already created invoice. You will click on the dollar amount, bringing you to the option to pay an invoice. You will select Payment Card. You will enter the amount, enter a reference if you want, and you will notice that the last 4 digits of the payment card is listed. By default, it's checked to use the payment card that was just saved, but keep in mind you can always uncheck this option and proceed to enter a new card for this specific transaction. If you wish to change the payment card saved on file, as mentioned earlier, this can be done in the client's profile. You can then proceed to apply the payment. Besides payment card info storing for invoices, it can also be used on trust accounts. If we go into the client's profile, we will go to the Billing tab and select Trust Account. If you select Credit by Payment Card, you will see the stored credit card by default. You can proceed to use the payment card stored to add funds to the trust account. The last thing to show you is how the client views this info from the client portal. If they log in, they will go to their invoices. They will click the dollar amount and proceed to select payment card or ACH. Just like you saw, they have the option to use the card on file or uncheck the saved card and proceed to add a new one and proceed to apply the payment. This concludes our video on storing payment card info. Hit the subscribe button to be notified when new videos come out, and give us a like to let us know you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.